Okay, time for another Halloween video. So this is going to be sort of a glam clown look. So the first part of this look is pretty dang simple. It's really just a pink smoky eye. I'm pretty sure I only used one color here, and I just kept building that up on the outer corner and in the crease. And then I'm just popping on a pink shimmer on the lid. This is the Huda Beauty Neon Orange palette. Then I'm just popping on some mascara. And we're gonna go in with foundation. So again, the majority of this look is just going to be a pretty straightforward glam look. And I'm popping on some lashes here. Very nice, very nice. And we're doing some concealer as well. Okay, so moving on to the face makeup, I am starting with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I chose this because it's a little bit more cool toned and I thought it would look nice with the blush and the eye look that we did. And popping on some highlight, I wanted something pretty intense for this look, so I chose the Pixi Glowy Powder. And then for blush, I chose the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in Rally, which is a nice kind of cool toned pink. So moving on to the actual clown part, I'm taking a liner here and basically kind of drawing a triangle out from my eye. And then I'm also putting one above my eyebrow. I actually ended up removing this for the final pictures because I didn't love how it looked, but you could do this or just keep the ones under the eye. I originally kind of was going to do like opposite sides, one underneath, one above the eyebrow, and again, I just didn't love how it looked, so the final look ended up with just the two little clown shapes underneath the eyes. And that's when I realized that my camera shut off, but all I've done is the lip. So basically I took a lip liner and created this Harley Quinn shape and then took a bright pink lipstick and went over top. And that is the finished look, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon.